Good morning, students. Now, today we start our new chapter, chapter number 2, polynomials. As you studied in earlier classes, that what are algebraic expressions, right? An algebraic expression is a collection of constant, coefficient, variable along with mathematical operations. Now, in this chapter, polynomials, we will discuss factor theorem, remainder theorems, and some properties of polynomials like division algorithm. Right? Now, first we recall our previous knowledge. So, you know that it is an example of algebraic expression. Here 2 and 3 are the coefficient of x square and x respectively, and 5 is a constant variable. The highest power of the variable is known as the degree of the polynomial. If I write 3x plus 2, here the variable x having highest power 1, so this polynomial, the degree of this polynomial is 1. Now, if I write only a constant term 5, here the variable is absent, or we can say the highest power of the variable is 0. That's why the degree of this constant polynomial is 0. Now you understand what is the meaning of the degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial means the highest power of variable in it. Understand? Now the next term is what is monomial, what is binomial, what is trinomial. You know that an algebraic expression having one term, only single term, or it may be x, it may be 2x or 3x or whatever the number is square, right? This polynomial is known as monomial, having only one term. Here 1 and 2 is known as binomial. Here 1, 2 and 3 terms are there. This expression is known as trinomial, or in general we say that polynomials. Now, is all the polynomials, all the algebraic expressions are polynomial? No. Look at here, some examples. Under root x plus 2. What is the power of x here? It means x power 1 by 2 plus 2. If in any algebraic expression, power are in fraction or in negative form, the algebraic expression is not a polynomial. It's a very important concept. Look at here. If I can write x minus 1 by 2 plus 2, or we can write x plus 1. Why? What is the meaning of this? X plus x minus 1. Again, the power are not in whole number. Power are not a whole number. So, algebraic expression must have power or a degree in form of whole number. Otherwise, in form of negative or in form of fraction, the algebraic expression is not a polynomial. Understand? Now, what will you do? You read the concept given in NCERT book before exercise 2.1, right? It's all about the degree of the polynomial and monomial, binomial, trinomial, and which of the algebraic expression are given are in form of polynomial or not. So first you read the concept carefully, which I already explained here, and then you try to solve exercise 2.1. Thanks.